Hi, it's mullet time.
Woof.
I just woke up. Welcome to or back to my channel. Hey. Sorry that I didn't have a video last week. I forgot I existed. But don't worry, this week is a fun, exciting video. I've been wanting to cut my hair in a mullet since like 2019 or something like that, like early 2018. But I was like, no, it's okay, like I don't know how. And now I kind of have like a shag. It's kind of weird. I don't know. It just looks like I have bangs, and it's a popular hairstyle with curly hair, so it's not like outrageous. Anyways, but I want like a mullet. We're going to be following the hair of life. That's the channel name. Tutorial. Let's get into it. So the first thing I need to do is part. My hair's also wet because that's how you cut hair. I woke up early and washed my hair in the morning for this. Is that picking up the sound of like, oh my god, so much hair is falling out? Oh my gosh, it picks up me brushing my hair. Okay, the first step is to part from the middle, front and back, that section at the top of your head. So I think I did something like this before because I watched a video. Not this one though. It was someone else doing it, and I was like, oh, I could do that, and I thought you just had to like cut it shorter, so I messed it up. I can't tell. No. Okay, I think I did too much. I'm gonna like watch this back and see that it was actually okay, or it was actually worse. We don't know. I'm using this mirror, but the mirror is being like blocked by the light, and there's nowhere else in my room to put it. I also don't have a comb. But what I do have is this very handy, hold on, this very handy hair dyeing thing. Oh, I could use my little handheld mirror. That's probably what that's for. I can't see. Starting over. Oh god, this is literally gonna take forever. Let's do the middle part first. I've never like actually parted my hair. Like I never care for it to be a good part. Success. Ooh. Okay, and then the bangs, man. Okay, my bangs are already cut to a certain way though. I guess I have to recut them. Okay, that's not part of my bangs. I should have done this in front of the sink instead. Okay, these are my bangs. So, yeah, that's pretty much my bangs. So what I had before was I just cut the bangs, and then I just went around the pieces close by it, and I just kind of shortened those. But this is a haircut that will make sure it's all even. So that's fun. So he said to just, why are these sides? Why is one side fuller than the other? Okay, for some reason one side's fuller than the other, but that's okay. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna brush it out like that, and he said cut straight across. Oh god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared, like I don't always do this. I normally just twist it like that and then cut it. Oh god, this is gonna be a mess. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take like sections of the hair right here, and you're gonna bring that forward. How did that girl do that in that video I watched? Like this, 45 degrees, and cut that to the same length, or what appears to be the same length. That's a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay. We could work with that. I thought it was a lot, but... Well, then I'm literally done with this. Because it's just... Gosh, this is so hard. This is so hard. I'm just gonna... I can't even see. He said to like... Oh man. Why did I think this would be easy? Twist it like that or something? Okay, yeah. And so that's barely any length coming off of right here. Uh-oh. Why did that... Okay, why is it longer over here? What? Oh no, I think I messed up my hair. Like right around here. Okay, so I've been doing this side. It's coming out pretty okay, but I think the problem is that this haircut is meant for wavy hair and not curly hair, because he said in the video, like, oops, why did those get stuck? I'm literally just cutting out like random lengths. He said in the video like, oh, this is great for the client with not really curly hair, but not like straight hair. Well, it is kind of even, actually. See, I can't like pinpoint where it's messed up here. We're gonna leave the bangs out, or at least we'll leave like that portion of the bangs out. Okay, so the back side, it says to part down the middle. Hold on. Okay, it says to part it down the middle. I guess just to do like smaller sections. And basically, I guess I should have rewatched the video. Oh, girl, how am I supposed to do this? Okay, so I'm gonna like take this the same way I did and cut it to that length. My parents don't know I'm doing this, but also I don't think they'd notice. I would just be like, oh yeah, I got new products, I'm using something different, and they'd be like, oh wow, okay. And then when they do notice, they'd be like, it's not just hair. And I'm like, it literally is though. It all grows back. This is gonna look so bad. I'm just gonna do like 2 more layers right here. Okay, this might be a train wreck. So what I'm gonna do to save it is basically not continue any more layers. Oh man, I wish I knew exactly how I was making them. This is so hard. Okay, this actually kind of looks like a mullet. I diffused it and I slept on it because I normally do my hair at night and sleep on it because I like day 2 hair better, if that makes sense. But anyways, yeah, so this is day 2 hair. Oh my goodness. This is... Oh, right. I didn't finish, but it still looks good. Wait, let me do a 360. That's all. That's all. This is really cool. Even though I didn't finish it, it's still really cool. I like the end result. I wonder if I did finish it, how it would look. I did see a video of one girl's and hers was like really short and I didn't want that. I like this length. I don't think I could pull off short like that. The only thing is I can't clip it up, which is what I normally do like when I'm sitting at home and doing everything. Turn on my post notifications.